How to sync Snapchat to Google Photos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. To save your Snapchat photos to Google Photos, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to set Snapchat to save to your camera roll. Open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Scroll down in the privacy control and then tap on Memories. You will see the option of Save button, which is in the Save Destinations section. Tap on that. Now choose either Memories or Camera Roll only, or Memories and Camera Roll, according to your choice. After this, go ahead and open the Google Photos app. Once you open it, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. You will see the option of backup and sync. Go ahead and turn it on and choose the Google account where you want to save your photos. As you can see that I'm backing up to a different account. Another thing you can do is you can simply go ahead, take a snap, and then save it to your phone's gallery. Then after Google Photos will automatically update or upload it when connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data depending on your settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.